name is Ilsa Bird, and I am a contemporary fusion belly dancer.
She was terrorized, the freedom rise, concerts painted over the
I got into rock sharky or Middle Eastern dance through world music, which I discovered at a very young age. My best friend and I found a CD with Rachel Bryce on it about 8 years ago, and we've been dancing ever since. I have a couple of favorite parts. One of my favorite things is to watch my style and technique develop in the studio, but the most exciting part for me is when I have a performance and I get to look into people's faces and I see someone who's seeing this art form for the first time, and I watch their eyes light up, and I know that that person gets it. It doesn't happen all the time, but when it does, it's really cool. Dance is really my favorite form of communication. My overall goal is to make belly dance recognized as an art form and not just an entertainment form within the Western world. I do want to travel and teach and wear as much glitter as possible. My name is Ilsa Bird, and I am a raw artist.